Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to just export settings on a Capcut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Capcut application, and after that we just need to click a new project if we want to create a new one. Okay, let's do a quick import. I would like to use the stock videos that provided by the Capcut. Okay, I would like to go into the scenery, and I think I would like to go with this, but it's quite big. I think it's quite long. Okay, I would like to use this. Okay, it's 10 seconds only, and after that you just need to click add. Okay, hold a second. Okay, so how to choose the export settings on a Capcut? You just need to focus on this right upper corner here. So if you want to choose the settings of the export, you just need to go click this 1080p. Just need to click it, and after that you just need to choose the resolutions. So actually the best version or the best format for exporting the video is for 2K or 4K here, but sometimes this is for only pro Capcut. Okay, so you need to upgrade your Capcut into the pro before you use it. Okay, from the frame rate you can also make it maximize, and for the code rate you can change into the high, but it's recommended into the middle only. And you can also activate this smart HDR2, so your clip will be converted into the HDR video. Means that that's kind of like high dimensional ratios kind of things. Just need to click to activate it. But then the better the quality of your video, that will be like have the higher size of the video, so that you need to spare a lot of space in your device to save the video. So after you're done to set all of the format, then you just need to go click the other side and go click export. So that's all the way how to set the export setting on a Capcut. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.